Hello and welcome to SaaS Track. Today, we will review the Debutify app. So, what is Debutify? Debutify is a free-to-use Shopify theme built to increase conversion to your e-commerce store. They are designed especially for Shopify stores that are highly customized to match your store's color scheme and preferences. With Debutify, your store will be up and running in minutes with a responsive and beautiful design. Debutify will create a look and feel that works great for any store and will be able to sell more products than before. You can create attractive, professional designs for your store without any designer. Firstly, let us take a look at how to start using Debutify and install a theme. Debutify includes adjustable aspects to assist startups and company owners with a unique website that meets their requirements. It consists of the world's highest converting Shopify theme that helps increase conversion to your e-commerce store. Now, go to www.debutify.com to download a theme and click Try for free. You can then enter your name and email address and click on the Try Debutify Free button. Next, you will be redirected to your Shopify account, where you need to click on the Install Unlisted app. In the end, you can select the Forever Free plan by default. You can choose a plan for trial or continue using the free plan. Moving ahead, we will look at how to install a theme. In the admin panel, click on Theme Library and select the theme to add. If you are migrating from another theme, copy the custom code and theme settings. Click Add to Theme Library to install a new theme. Go to Shopifytheme, click on Online Store, then Themes. You will get a list of installed themes. Click on Actions and Publish. Click Publish to apply changes. Hopefully, you will also be able to set up Debutify easily as we did. Now, we will take a look at some of its important features. Debutify allows users to pay for your product or services in their local currency. The product description page automatically dictates the currency of the country the customer belongs to and converts it to the one you set. It is done by Shopify's multi-currency checkout. It works well on desktop and mobile versions that you can use to showcase products from your store and redirect customers to the desired page. You can set the number of products you want to appear on the slider. It lets you customize your store header and footer designs and impact the overall performance. You can choose from various options and decide on the interface while using your scroll page. The guarantee bar is something interesting that Debutify offers. You can guarantee offers to your customer and highlight them on your store homepage. For instance, you can give a 7-day money-back guarantee or a free shipping guarantee. Debutify offers different slider options and layouts to display the products you have in your store. You can use the interactive product grid or use various modes to display images. You can also feature a product when customers search for them to upsell. The feature lets you search for the right product in high demand and make high-volume sales. The product research tool provides research ideas on trending products and product research courses that are not cost-friendly. If you start using Debutify for yourself, we bet you will come across many more interesting features. Now, let us move further and check out the pricing plans. Debutify pricing plans are quite interesting. You must know the amount you need to pay monthly or yearly to start using the free Shopify theme. Apart from the free plan, Debutify offers 3 types of pricing plans. The free plan is apt for beginners where they can start from scratch. It offers a single store license and a basic customer support. Next is the starter plan, which is suitable for small business owners looking to grow their store and costs $29 per month. Features that it provides include a single store license, access to up to 5 add-ons, advanced support, and single-click integrations. The Pro plan is for brand owners who want to increase their conversion rates. The plan will cost $79 per month, and you get all features from starter plan plus a single store license, access to up to 30 add-ons, advanced support, and single-click integration. Finally, the enterprise plan can be great for serious brand owners who want to maximize conversions and scale faster. It will cost $149 per month. It includes all features in Pro plan along with 3 store licenses, access to all add-ons, VIP support, and single-click integration. By the way, Debutify offers a 15% and 25% discount respectively, for plans purchased for quarterly and yearly subscriptions. You can simply go ahead with it. Now that you have seen the features and the package Debutify offers, let us take a quick look at its pros and cons of it. Debutify offers easy one-click installation and activation with seamless integration with popular Shopify apps. There are automatic updates available with more than 31 tested e-commerce sales boosters. The page loading is fast and mobile optimized. It is a good option for beginners. It provides the best for Shopify dropshipping, brand stores, and print on demand. Debutify offers a good refund policy and efficient 24/7 customer support. If we come to its downsides, the customer support and add-ons depend on the purchase plan. For the best features, users must buy the premium plan. Features available in the free version are just okay. Debutify is the right mix of both essential and premium features as it is a free Shopify theme. Investing in a better theme for more sales and conversions is better if your requirements are limited. Debutify comes with the right choice, and you can use it for years to come. It is highly customizable that adjusts to your needs. So, that was all about Debutify. If you have any queries regarding the product, you can comment below. Also, stay tuned to our channel for the latest review on other tools. Bye for now and meet you again in our next video.